at that. We have to make it. Let's make it. All right, to make these delicious crab cakes, this is what we're gonna need right here. These are your ingredients. Remember, the measurements are always in the description. We have lump crab, we have panko breadcrumbs, we have celery, we have yellow bell pepper, we have Dijon mustard, we have regular mayo, we have chopped parsley, and we have Old Bay, lawry seasoning, and black pepper. And we're just gonna put this thing together and mix it on up. Let's do it. All right, let's get everything into our crab and let's get it mixed up. Let's get this mayo in here. Dijon. Get that in there as well. Do our seasonings. And let's just sprinkle me, baby. Sprinkle me. There we go. Let's get our yellow bell peppers. Let's get our celery. And our parsley. Now let's just fold it all together. Be careful, be gentle with your crab. You want to leave it as lumped as possible. So just gently fold it, take your time, no rush, and just make sure everything is everything. So let's just get this all mixed together. And once we get it all mixed up, we're going to pop it in the fridge for at least an hour to let it set. So let's just continue to get it all mixed up. And remember to be as gentle as possible with your crab. And as I'm stirring this, I just realized, guys, I forgot my eggs. Yeah. So let's get my eggs out. Forgot all about those. And on the ingredients list that I forgot to mention, 2 large eggs. So let's just get these boys in there. There we go. And let's just get these in there. Now we got everything that's supposed to be everything. So let's just continue to fold our crab meat mixture. Let's just continue to fold it until it's all well incorporated and it's able to hold together on its own. Panko. There we go. Just maybe about a tablespoon or 2, because we're still going to bread those when we get ready to cook them on the griddle. So it's just gonna help hold it with the egg. And like I say, we're just gonna place this in the fridge for at least an hour. All right, while we have our crab cake mix chilling in the fridge and binding together, let's go ahead and make our tartar sauce. Just a quick little tartar sauce recipe. So we're gonna use mayo, sweet pickle relish, and remember, measurements are going to be in the description. Some Dijon. There we go, let's get that out of there. About a tablespoon and a half of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I don't like onions in mine, so a lot of people put onions in theirs. I don't like onions in my tartar sauce. So there's no onions in this one, but if you wanted to make yours with onions, be my guest. And there it is. Quick and easy tartar sauce. Now what you want to do, taste it for likeness. You might want to add you a little salt, just to get that seasoning in now. Let's see. It's tartar sauce to me, baby. There it is. Quick and easy tartar sauce that's gonna go with our crab cakes. Yay. All right, now we be back. All right, now that our crab cakes are done resting in the fridge, so let's go ahead and start making the cakes, baby. And I'm using a 1/2 cup to get the size I want it, so they all be uniform. So we just, get a ball, just drop it in our breadcrumbs. Make sure it's well coated. As such. And then while you have it in your breadcrumbs, let's go ahead and shape it. There we go. It's gonna be delicious. There it is. Bam. There it is. It's that crab cake, y'all. Let's do that again. Forgive the mess, but we gonna continue on. We gonna come back and work it out. Bam. There it is. Bam. Just that easy. Just that easy. Now let's get these done. Let me clean up my mess and we'll be back. This is what we're looking like. We got 5 pretty big crab cakes out of that. So if you want to do them smaller, I suggest going down to a 1/3 cup, but these gonna work just fine right here. All right, now we're at the stove. As you can see, I got the griddle with some butter just melting in there for that delicious flavor it's gonna add to it. All right, our griddle and our butter, and it's unsalted butter, by the way. It is hot and ready to go. So just make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. So I'll say we can do 3. Yeah, 3 at work. And there we go. And then we're gonna cook these on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Gonna come back, show you what they look like when they flipped. All right, I got one flipped. Let's see how the other one's looking. Let's see how the other one's looking. And still wanna be gentle. You don't want to break them, so don't just slam them over. Kind of help lay them over. Listen to that. Listen to that. Yeah. All right. And as we get this last one out, what we're gonna do before we put our other ones in, we're gonna take our griddle and we're gonna wipe it out. We're gonna get it clean And we're gonna start over with some fresh butter. Yeah. All right, now let's get our last 2 crab cakes in our hot pan. And also, I made them too big. I didn't make them too big, but the way I'm cooking them, I made them too big. So what I'm going to do, once I get a good coloring on them and get a good crust on them, I'm gonna throw them in the oven at 425 for maybe only for about 5 to 10 minutes, you know, just to make sure they're all the way warm all the way through, and the edges, as you can see, the edges will get crispy as well. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you what it look like when they come out and they finish. I'm gone.